when I'm picking out my designs for carving pumpkins, I walk through the pumpkin patch, and not unlike looking at clouds in the sky and seeing faces or animals, I see them in the pumpkins and the squash. For instance, I saw a mouse or a rat in this little pumpkin. And so again, I went and found natural, organic parts for its tail. And I again used the sticks for its feet. These are pine needles for whiskers, pumpkin seeds for ears, in which I just cut a little slit in the top and poked the ear in. I also have pumpkin seeds for the teeth. Again, we've got the little gem dried corn for the eyes. And in this case, that is a thumbtack. But it's just the thing that I saw in looking at the pumpkin. I often let the pumpkin tell me what it wants to be. I'm not very creative in coming up with making a design myself sometimes.